Hi, this is Jacob Peel, and I'm going to show you our KML site creator grasshopper definition. So the definition uses KML information to create geometry in Rhino. It starts by downloading GIS information from the internet, shape files, KML files, just whatever can be imported into Google Earth. In Google Earth, we're going to import this data. So here we're going to focus in on our site first, and then I'm just going to tilt it. I'm going to go to File, Import, and I'm going to navigate to the location where those online files are stored. I'll need to change the file type in the browser and import. And as it's importing, it'll realize that it actually has a lot of geometry, and it presents to us the option to restrict to view. And so what it does is it'll crop out all the information and geometry outside of what we're looking at here on Google Earth. So when we make this visible, this layer, we see a bunch of buildings, and it's cropped more or less to our view. We can see that the buildings have, or these footprints, these polygons have the information associated. Average height, which will be nice. We'll extrude these footprints based on that. So next I'm going to bring in the topography. So again, File, Import, navigate to that shape file, and hit OK. It'll again ask us if we want to restrict the geometry to our view. We will. And I'm going to apply a template and make it green. All right. And there it is. We can see that it's a pretty flat site, except for down here in the southeast retention or something. Okay, so now we're going to get these cropped geometries out of here by using the KML file format. And so what we'll do is we'll right-click on the layer in Google Earth and select Save As. We've got to be sure to change the file type to KML. KML is just a very simple textual sort of file format. You could open it up and read it. And it makes it very easy to parse information in Rhino. So now moving into Rhino, I'm opening that up now that we've got our KML saved off. I'm going to load Grasshopper, and I'm going to go ahead and open up our definition, KML site creator. And it just needs two things. It just needs those building footprints, the KML file for that, and the topography. So I'm going to start with the topography. This is a lot of information, so it does take a long time. It's not only bringing in location information, in our case longitude and latitude, but it's also bringing in all of that metadata about volume and square footage and anything else that we saw in that flyout view of Google Earth. So what's happening is in the KML files, we're taking the longitude and latitude values and remapping them to X and Y values in Rhino. And so we're basically taking a spherical projection and mapping it flat. There will be some degree of error, but for the most part it turns out pretty well. And you can see all that information is available for us, so we can go through and filter or color buildings based on, whatever metric, owner or use type, year built. All right, that's it. I hope that all made sense, and of course, if you need any help, please feel free to get in touch with me. All right.